like to introduce all the participants to the this prestigious institute that is founded by the late Pandit Mohan. So Pandit Mohanlal SB College for Women Gurdaspur is founded and crafted on the lofty ideals of Revered late Dr. Pandit Mohanlalji, an immortal luminary, a great freedom fighter, an administrator par excellence, a paradigm of
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
So I invite Madam Mrs. Surkhap to briefly introduce Madam Parvinder to all the participants.
Thank you, Sandeep ma'am. A very good morning to all the participants and a doctorate in computer science. She has made significant contribution to the field of computer science with over 80 international national publications on various topics including component certification, component versioning, version control tools, software architecture, software security, web usability, web optimization, semantic web, and digital image processing. In addition to her research work, Dr. Kaur has also contributed to several books, including 6 chapters in 3 different books available in the digital library of IGI Global, and 2 chapters in Springer book series on advances in intelligent systems and computing. Dr. Kaur's expertise in research is further evident in the successful guidance of 3 doctoral students in the areas of
1817 to 1940, and in this there is a mass production with respect to electricity as well as the assembly line. So this is a very there is a very interesting fact behind this term IoT when this term coined. So we are living in the year of 2023. See, imagine this term comes in the market in the year 1982, and the devices or the internet. So industrial evolution, if we go for this, industrial evolution based on the cyber-physical systems, that is we are running.
Insights and expertise on the latest advancements and practical application of Industry 4.0. Our session was informative, engaging, and thought-provoking. Today we have an exciting lineup of sessions as we planned, and we will continue our discussion on various aspects of AI in project management. So let's make the most of this opportunity to delve deeper into the world of AI in project management and explore how it can revolutionize our approach to managing the projects. I encourage you all to actively participate in the session, share your thoughts, and make the most of the interactive workshop. Once again, a very warm welcome to everyone and our resource person, Dr. Natasha Hasiji. Let's make the second day of our workshop on AI in project management a truly enriching and memorable experience. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to invite Madam Principal for the formal welcome of our resource person. Ma'am Principal.
You. On second day of the workshop, we have amongst us a very learned resource person, Professor Dr. Natasha Hasiji, HOD, IT Wing of MT School of Engineering and Technology. So far as I knew her, Dr. Natasha wore so many feathers in her hat. She is Deputy Director of IT Wing. Recently, she has been promoted to the post of Professor. So, Dr. Natasha ji, congratulations. Dr. Natasha ji remains busy in conducting regular events and conferences in MIT University. So, we welcome such a learned resource person. So, on behalf of our management, my staff, and the students, we welcome you, and really we acknowledge your kindness, your greatness for accepting our invitation and joining us in today's webinar. Now coming to today's theme, NEP 2020 laid more emphasis on enhancing skills, innovations, and better learning outcomes. So nowadays, artificial intelligence is the buzzword, and it is gaining prominence. So that's why from time to time, learning requirements of our students, that's why we have selected such themes and topics for our 3-day workshop by Computer Science Department. So once again,
She is the Deputy Director and Head of Information Technology Department at MIT School of Engineering and Technology at MIT University, Uttar Pradesh. She has 22 years of cross-cultural international experience in academics and industry. She has experience of working with leading organizations like Citigroup and XR Direct in Tokyo, Japan. Passionate about research in software development process paradigms and artificial intelligence, she has presented technical papers in international conferences held at USA, UK, Malaysia and in India, and some with foreign co-authors from South Africa. Has published papers in renowned journals, contributed chapters in books, and is the reviewer of journals with reputed international publishers. Chaired technical sessions and has been the editorial member of international conferences with IEEE and Stinger, and is an active organizing committee member of many international conferences. She has received funding from SARAG, DST, DRDO, CSIR and INSA for organizing international conferencing. She is member of IEEE USA, ACM USA, Institution of Engineering and Technology UK, International Association of Computer Science.
College for women at the place where I belong to. So thank you for this opportunity. And as we all know that nurturing young women as technocrats and innovators can certainly lead our country to the first position, and we are at the 40th position in 2022. So as a nation, if we see that there is a lot of representation of women that is required in science, engineering and technology, and events like this will certainly foster that efforts of the Government of India as well. So congratulations to the Department of Computer Science and Engineering for hosting such a workshop, and at the outset I express gratitude to the respected principal, Dr. Neeru Sharma ji, and to all the organizing team members for giving me an opportunity to speak at this workshop. Thank you so much. I will be sharing my slides, so please let me know once my slides are visible to you all. Do I have the permission to share?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
please.
Just a second. Okay, great. So, and if you can just tell me who all are the participants, like they are pursuing their master's program or they are also pursuing their undergraduate programs?
they are faculty now.
And faculty
Okay.
from different institutes also.
Great, great. Thank you so much. Very good morning to all of you. The topic that I'll be talking on today is AI in project management, and very kindly Professor Poonamji has introduced me to all of you. So I have been working in the area of software process paradigms. I've been working in the area of process modeling and project management. And as we all know that Dr. Neeru Sharma just rightly said that AI is making buzz right all over. So today's topic will be discussing on what is AI in project management. I'll try to keep it in English. Somewhere I'll use Hindi as well. So in case any point you would like to ask me certain questions, you can just note it down, and towards the end we can take the QA session. So AI is artificial intelligence, as you all know, and PM stands for project management. The agenda that we'll be covering in my talk is project management processes and AI in project management. We'll be talking about the advantages that this paradigm has. We talk about tools and techniques. We talk about AI-based tools that
it cannot be verified for anything. So that means population count is not required. With the Aadhaar card, we know the date of birth, we know the biometric, we can count out that how much is the population of each state, each district. So that is with the click of mouse. So a very simple problem or a very complex problem has been solved using the Aadhaar card. Even earlier, we says Benami properties or another kind of thing. So now land records are also being attached with the Aadhaar card. So if you want to check out how much property anybody is having, so you can check using the Aadhaar card. So now, a government of India just 6 months ago has passed one bill that is a criminal identification using the Aadhaar card. What the government has done, government has the people who are involved in any kind of the criminal cases, their Aadhaar card number as well as their fingerprints, even if Aadhaar card is not possible, their fingerprints are being kept with their names and all those things. So whenever any kind of the crime is occurring anywhere, so from the crime scene, they are taking out the fingerprints and they are matching the fingerprints of the criminal, because it is not required to match the fingerprints of a criminal crime scene with the fingerprints of the whole of the population of our country. Robotics, that is nowadays the surgical operations are being done using the robotics technology. So that's also a kind of, you can say, revolutionary technology. Its applications are endless. But the issue is that when we are talking about a CCTV cameras and all those technologies, the major issue was that because CCTV cameras are capturing the images, pictures, where we have to store. Because storage was a limitation at that time. What again, this problem have been solved by the cloud computing. In the cloud computing nowadays, we are having a data centers. In data centers, we can store the huge amount of data. That is the reason that if you will see that Google is providing us Gmail account, and in Gmail account they are providing 15 gigabyte of memory free to every user. So if you will see the population of India is more than 140 crore people, and if we will assume that even the one third of the population is using the Gmail account, that is 50 crore into 15 gigabyte is a free memory only they are providing to India. So that has been possible because of the bigger data centers. So cloud computing is again one of the sporting thing for Internet of Things and for artificial intelligence. Now, we comes out for another kind of applications like that. What are the various applications? So, if I talk about Aadhaar card. We all know that in our country, Aadhaar card is being used for a verification purpose. But truly speaking, that if I'll say anything revolutionary happened in our country and the applications attached, I'll say it's a Aadhaar card. You will surprise that what happens. First thing that although if you will check on the internet due to certain political reasons and other reasons, it is not